channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. And for those of you that followed me over here from my other channel, the Baking Diva, to support me, I want to thank you very much. And for those that are here the first time, go down and hit that red subscribe and the little bell next to it so you won't miss any of my future videos. Well, I'm here to teach all of the people who are just getting started with an air fryer. Maybe they're thinking about purchasing an air fryer. I'm doing very, very simple recipes. That's why I called my channel 101. So today I'm going to make something for you that has to do with Thanksgiving, since it's right around the corner. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard of that popular green bean casserole. All the stores promote it this time of year, and I'm sure many of you have had it with the green beans. You mix it with the mushroom soup. You put those French fried onions on top and you bake it in the oven. Well, I love Trader Joe's. I don't know how many of you have a Trader Joe's near you, but we have a new one about a mile from my house. And I like to hit that store maybe once every week or two. Well, when I was there recently, I found these. And I'll put a still in for you so you can see it better. These are Trader Joe's Green Bean Casserole Bites. And it says on here, let me read it to you. It says on here that it's flaky phyllo cups with the green bean casserole filling topped with crispy fried onion pieces. So they look delicious to me. They're more like an hors d'oeuvre. They're very, very small. And I found it interesting because when I looked on the box, it said on here, you can make them in a conventional oven, but they even said air fryer. And I was like, gee, that's pretty amazing. Some of these food distributors are starting to put on their boxes air frying because it's so popular. So anyway, I thought I would make them for you today in my air fryer. I have my Ninja air fryer here. I'm driving everybody crazy, especially the cameraman, my husband, who's behind the camera. He's sick of hearing me talk about the air fryer, right, Tim?
Right, Tim.
So anyway, I love my air fryer. It says here you can use these as an appetizer, a side dish, or both. So, we open the box here. I've already taken some of these out of here, but you take the plastic off the top. It's in a little plastic container. I'll show you how they come. Just over there. They smell like onions when you unwrap them. And let me hold this up. We've already tried 4 of these. This is how they come. To me, they're like little appetizers. So what it tells you on the box is to cook them in your air fryer at, I believe it said, 400 degrees, half an inch apart for 7 minutes. And it did say to cool them 3 minutes before you eat them. So I tried them and I thought 7 minutes was a little too much the last time I made them. But we're going to try them again now and we'll see how we do. So here's my air fryer here. If you want to head on over here. I'm going to take out my basket. Don't need this. So here's my basket. And I'm going to place these in my air fryer. I've already put a little bit of oil in there. So I'm going to put them in here a half an inch apart, like it says to do. You could really fit that whole box in here. I believe there's how many in the box? Oh, let me see. There's 10 in the box, and they're only 30 calories each. There you go. All right. So since I don't have the entire box in here, I'm going to put them in. Here they are in the air fryer. I don't know if you can see them at all. I'm going to put the air fryer basket in my air fryer. Simple as could be. Over here, I have to come around a little bit. Over here, mine says air fry. So I'm just going to press air fry. Now it says 400 degrees. So I'm gonna hit the temperature arrow up. It came to 390. Gonna hit it one more time. So simple. Now it's 400 degrees. Over here is the time. Gonna press that. It automatically comes up 20 minutes on this. I'm going to put this down to, I believe, 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna check it and see if I have to cook it 2 more minutes. So I'm just gonna press the down arrow until I get to 5 minutes. So there we go. I have air fry, it's on 400, and I have it on 5 minutes. All I'm gonna do is press start, and the air fryer is gonna start cooking these babies, so stay tuned. The timer should go off in a couple of minutes here, and then I'm gonna check them and see if we wanna stop at 5 minutes or do them any longer. All right. So let me take the basket out of here and see what these look like. Well, I think that they are done. Let me push this out of the way, get my basket. I don't think I'm gonna be able to have you see these, but I have my tongs and I'm gonna put them in the dish for you. But they look brown and crispy to me, and I don't think I would cook them for the 7 minutes. I put them on 5 minutes, and I think this is perfect. Now they do tell you, let them sit for 3 minutes before you eat them. First of all, they're very hot. And second of all, I think they want the filling to set a little bit. So let me put my basket back in. And like I did mention to you, I did spray my basket a little bit with oil. I use either avocado oil or I use olive oil. And before I put these in. So let me let them cool for a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, so here they are on the plate. I'll put a still in for you. I cooked these on 5 minutes and I think they're perfect. They're nice and crispy on the outside. They're not too browned on the inside. I think for my air fryer, and I have the Ninja, I think the 7 minutes that are on the box would be way too much. So everybody's air fryer is a little different. You have to play with them. So my thoughts would be, if you try these and you cook them in your air fryer, cook them in there for 5 minutes. You just have to take your basket out, check them. If they look done to you, fine. If not, just put them back on for 2 more minutes or another minute. So I'm gonna give these babies a taste and see what I think. And I have a few other videos I've recently put up on this channel. One was how you can make hard-boiled eggs in your air fryer. And then we did air-fried Oreos. Oh, they were delicious. And my first video was talking to you all about an air fryer. So if you're new at this, go take a look at some of my other videos. And I'll put my other channel, the Baking Diva, the link for that in the description box if you want to come over and visit me. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that red subscribe so you won't miss the videos on the air frying that I have coming up next. So let me give these a taste. Crispy. The inside is all soft. I have a string bean in there, and the sauce, and the top has all the crunchy onions on it. I think they're very good. I catch more of the onion flavor than I do the green bean, but there's definitely green beans in there. So I give this a 2 thumbs up. 5 minutes in your air fryer on 400, and pick up a few boxes. Put them out as appetizers on Thanksgiving. I think your guests will love them. So for now, thank you all for stopping by. Love you all. Toodles!